discuss about the sphenoid bone. This is an important bone for learning in the head and neck osteology. First, I will discuss about the overview, then bony relations, then main parts, and then bony markings. Go into the sphenoid bone overview. This is the overview of the sphenoid bone. Overview. Then go into the bone relations. The sphenoid bone is relation with the frontal bone, temporal bone, next parietal bone, occipital bone, then palatine bones, then other bones. Go into the bony markings, main important points. This is the main important points, main parts. This is the lesser wing of sphenoid. This is the lesser wing of sphenoid. This is the greater wing of sphenoid. This is the pterygoid process of sphenoid. This is the sella turcica or hypophyseal fossa. This is the body of sphenoid. This is the greater wing of sphenoid. This is the lesser wing of sphenoid. This is the body of sphenoid. This is the body of sphenoid. This is the pterygoid process. Then go into the bony markings. This is the parietal margin of greater wing of sphenoid. This is the frontal margin of greater wing of sphenoid. This is the squamosal margin of greater wing of sphenoid. This is the zygomatic margin of greater wing of sphenoid. This is the temporal surface of greater wing of sphenoid. This is the infratemporal crest of greater wing of sphenoid. This is the infratemporal surface of greater wing of sphenoid. Then the processes. This is the anterior clinoid process. This is the anterior clinoid process, middle clinoid process, and posterior clinoid processes. Then it is the superior orbital fissure. This is the superior orbital fissure, and this is the orbital surface of greater wing of sphenoid. This is the infratemporal fossa, infratemporal crest, sorry. Then it is the infratemporal surface of greater wing of sphenoid. This is the sphenoidal crest. This is the opening of sphenoidal sinus. This is the zygomatic margin. Then this is the pterygoid hamulus. This is the pterygoid notch. This is the medial pterygoid plate, and this is the lateral pterygoid plate. This is the pterygospinous process. This is the pterygoid fossa. This is the pterygoid fossa. This is the sulcus of auditory tube. This is the spine of sphenoid. This is the spine of sphenoid where spinomandibular ligament is attached. This is the sulcus of auditory tube. This is the foramen rotundum. This is the sphenoidal lingula. This is the sella turcica. Then this is the hypophyseal fossa. This is the carotid sulcus. This is the posterior clinoid processes. This is the hypophyseal fossa. This is sella turcica. Hypophyseal fossa. This is a middle clinoid process. This is the perichiasmatic sulcus. Perichiasmatic sulcus. This is the limbus of sphenoid. Limbus of sphenoid. This is the foramen spinosum. You know that ROS, R-O-H. Foramen rotundum, foramen ovale, foramen spinosum. Rotundum, ovale, spinosum. ROS. This is the cerebral surface of greater wing of sphenoid. This is the pterygoid canal. This is the pterygoid canal. Is the then open into this is the foramen rotundum. This is called pterygoid canal. Opening is called pterygoid canal. This is the opening of pterygoid canal. This is a medial plate of pterygoid process. This is the palatovaginal groove. This is the omerovaginal groove. This is the foramen rotundum. This is the maxillary surface of greater wing of sphenoid. Maxillary surface of greater wing of sphenoid. Then pterygospinous process. This is the pterygospinous process. This is a lateral plate. Pterygoid hamulus. This is the lesser wing of sphenoid. This is cerebral surface of greater wing of sphenoid. Sella turcica. This is the pterygoid canal. This is the middle clinoid process. This is the tuberculum cellae. This is the tuberculum cellae. Lesser wing of sphenoid. This is the limbus of sphenoid. Perichiasmatic sulcus. Tuberculum cellae. This is hypophyseal fossa. Hypophyseal fossa. Sella turcica. This is the spine of sphenoid bone. This is the where sphenomandibular nerve is attached. This is the sella turcica. This is the carotid sinus. This is carotid sinus. Thank you for watching.